everyone, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to share with you a brand new fall quilt pre-cut kit. So this kit comes with everything, pretty much everything except for batting, I think, that you need to complete this beautiful quilt. Look at this, I'm gonna cover my face. Look how beautiful. It is so gorgeous. All the beautiful fall colors, and then look at the back. This really fun daisy print. And it looks like they finished, this is not my quilt. They finished this with this like really beautiful daisy quilting pattern. I love it. So super excited about this. I just got the quilt kit in. So I'm going to show you everything that it comes with. I have a special discount code for you as well, so stay tuned for that. All right, so you have heard me mention My Fabric Addiction before here on this channel. I've partnered with them for videos in the past, and I did the Prairie Garden quilt and should kind of walk you guys through that tutorial on how to make it. And so today's video is an unboxing of their new apple cider quilt kit. So it is just adorable. It comes with this super cute little bag, and it has the name of the quilt kit on it. It says apple cider, My Fabric Addiction. They've got pre-cut quilts and exclusive fabric. So this is like a little tote bag. Isn't that cute? I love it. And then inside, it comes with all the directions, the pattern, everything you need to know about how to create this quilt at home is right here in this little pamphlet. So I love that. Everything you need is just right here. And then the really fun part, all the beautiful fabrics. What I love about pre-cut quilt kits is that everything is pre-cut for you. I don't know if you can see, you probably can see. I'm in the process of cutting out a Christmas quilt kit right now, and it is so much work. If you've ever cut out all your pieces for a full quilt, like it feels like it's gonna take days of just kind of the boring stuff. It can be a little bit boring cutting like thousands of pieces yourself, and that is why if I'm looking for just a quick project, I love quilt kits for that. So it comes with all the pieces pre-cut for you. There are all these sashing strips here, and then even the binding here, more sashing strips, and then all the beautiful print fabrics here. The colors are so warm and lovely. I just love them so much. And then the quilt kit also comes with the backing fabric, which is amazing. So that's that super cute little daisy fabric. As I mentioned, I do have a discount code for you guys. You're gonna use the discount code Raising Nobles, and that's gonna get you 15% off of your purchase over on their website. So I'll have that. I'll run it across the screen here, and I'll have it linked in the description box down below so you can click right over to it, but it's myfabricaddiction.com. So if you wanna hop over there and check out this amazing apple cider quilt kit with all the pieces cut out for you. They also have so many other beautiful and unique quilt kits over there that you definitely want to check out, even just regular fabric selections and stuff like that. So I'm a huge fan of My Fabric Addiction. I love what they're doing. Their quilt kits are super high quality and very accurately cut, which is very important when you are putting together a large piece. If things are off, or a large quilt, if things are off, it's no good. So super accurate cutting is very important, and theirs is always just right on. So again, huge fan of My Fabric Addiction. I hope you'll go check them out. Use the code Raising Nobles for 15% off. Link will be in the description box down below. Thanks for watching this video today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.